ډېر داسې کسان وي کله چې هغې څه آرټیکل پړاوه وي یا سټوري پړاوه وي یا څه پوډکاسټ یا څه بل آډیو لیسن اوري نو هغې له مسله وي او د دې مسلې وجه وکیب لري د که تاسو له هم دا مسله وي نو دا کلاس هم د تاسو دپاره دی او د دغسې نورو کلاسونو دپاره زما د یوټیوب چینل جوهر امام سر د سره سبسکرایب کړئ نو ټایم مو ناخلم راځي چې سٹارټ کو خپل کلاس شروع کو. Word of the day: justice. Justice mean in pashto insaf ya adl. Justice mean insaf ya adl. Justice, justice. Justice mean insaf ya adl. My dear students, we can say that equal justice system for everyone. Masawin da adl nizam da har cha da para. No, the justice manada adl insaf. Justice mean adl insaf. Equal justice system for everyone. Good. You explain justice very well. As you said before that justice mean adl insaf, and you also use justice in your sentence. Equal justice system for everyone. No, ta justice ډېره ښه په تفصیل سره ایکسپلین کړو او د جسټس چې کومه معنا ده عدل او انصاف دا هم صحیح دا او د عدل مساوي نظام د هر چا د پاره ضروری دی. ویل ایکسلنٹ. glorious mean عظیم شان شاندار. My dear, who was glorious mean شاندار عالیشان. لکه په دې سینټینس کې our country has a glorious past. زمونږ هیواد یوه عظیم شانه یوه عالیشانه ماضي لري. نو glorious mean عظیم شان ځلند ورته بیا هم ویلی شي په پښتو ژبه کې. glorious glorious glorious. Glorious mean عظیم شان عالیشان زلنده. Our country has a glorious past. زمون هیواد یوه عظیم شانه ماضي لري. glorious. The glorious نه پس زمون سره next word دی witness. My dear, who was the witness معنا دا گواه شاهد چې ورته مونږ وایو. witness mean گواه شاهد. We can say that the witness completely vindicated him. گواه هغه په بشپړه توګه ثبوت کړو. My dear students, witness mean گواه. The witness completely vindicated him. گواه هغه په بشپړه توګه ثبوت کړو. نو the witness معنا دا گواه. Do you know the meaning of poor? Explain it in easy pashto so that the viewers can understand it easily. Yes, I know the meaning of poor in pashto. Poor mean gharib, and we can say that he is a poor boy. Haga yo gharib halak den. We should help poor people in our community. Poor mean gharib. P-O-O-R, poor mean gharib. Good. I appreciate you. You explain it very well. Poor mean gharib, people poor, and we should help poor people in our community. Let's learn even if in pashto. Even if mean hatta ke ya agarche. Even if mean in pashto hatta ke ya agarche. Even if sky falls, justice must be done. Ka asman hum ra preuji no insaf te ushi. Even if sky falls, justice must be done. Hatta ka asman hum ra preuji no insaf te ushi. Even if mean hatta ke ya agar che. Even if hatta ke ya agar che. Parents mean in pashto more au plar. Parent mean in pashto more au plar. We should respect our parent. Mungla da khpolo more au plar ihtiram respect kawal pakar din. Parent more au plar. Parent is one of the most valuable given gift from the side of Allah. More au plar da Allah da tarafa yawakimati tofa da. Parent more au plar. We should respect our parent. More au plar. My dear students, do you know the meaning of against? Please explain against. What is the meaning of against in easy pashto? Yes, sir, I know the meaning of against and I can use it in sentence too. Against mean khilaf. The against mana the khilaf. We can say that it is against the law. The kanun khilaf de. No, against mean khilaf. It is against the law. Good, you are right. Against mean khilaf, and you use these words in sentence very well. It is against of Allah, the kanun khilaf de. Dirha